All that you need to do is go over to Google Trends, look for trending viral topics, topics that people are already talking about, topics that are blowing hot. Make videos of those topics, upload them on monetization platforms like YouTube and the rest of them. Because these topics are blowing hot, people want to see videos about these things. I assure you, your videos will blow up in no distant time. Yes, even if you're actually using or uploading them from a brand new channel that has 0 subscribers, for example on YouTube, you would actually get massive views on this platform. Now, this is the fun part. You do not really need to show your face or sit behind the camera looking for content for these mind-blowing trending topics. You would actually be using a brand new AI tool that I'll be showing you right now. Now, what does this tool do? Any topic at all that is trending, just give it the link to that topic and it is going to generate mind-blowing video content that would actually help people understand more about that topic. And all of these will be done in just 3 minutes. Now, the very best part about this AI tool is that you can actually give it your voice for it to use your voice in making that video. Yes, you can clone your voice. Now I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to get all of this done and earn a minimum of $600 from these monetization platforms. For example, YouTube and the likes. But first, let me show you a channel that is actually doing this and you see how many views the videos they have made got in just few days. Now, this is a brand new channel, a channel that has 0 subscribers. This YouTube channel that we can actually see posted its first video in 2021. As seen here, this is the very first video that this channel uploaded. Now, I'm going to right click on this so we can see how many views this video got in few days of them publishing this video. As you can see here, this is the video, and if you click on the more button, you will see that this video was uploaded in November 19, 2021. This was the very first video that this channel uploaded with 0 subscribers. Now, once you go down to the analytics section, you are going to see that on day 1, this video got 1,284 views. Now, day 2, it got 2,500 views. Day 3, it got 3,800 views. And in just 7 days, it flew up to 15,000 views. Now, this is a channel that has 0 subscribers. Now, why this blow up? Because they are actually writing or making a video about viral content. Now, if you see on the 28th day, which is just 1 month, it flew up to how many? 82,000 views as it were. For a brand new YouTube channel. Is this not mind-blowing? Don't worry, we'll talk more about the secrets as we move forward. Now let's go back and see exactly this other video, the 3rd video that was uploaded on this channel at about the same time when it was created. I'll right click on this and I'll open a new tab. So this video now basically is the same video that was uploaded at about the same time when that first video was created. Now if you see the first day here, it has 1,700 views, 2nd day 3,000 views, 3rd day 5,000 views, and in 1 week it got 20,000 views as it were, and in 1 month it got 79,000 views. Guys, this is mind-blowing for a brand new YouTube channel. Now let me show you one last video that will blow your mind. Now here is another video that was posted at about the same time. This video has 920,000 views. Come here and see how this video did in 1 day. On the first day, this video had over 3,500 views. On the 2nd day of posting this video, it has 38,000 views from a new YouTube channel. Come on, there must be a secret that is being used to blow up all of these videos. And that is the secret I want to show you right here in this video you are watching. Now, how did this video do in 1 week? In 1 week, we can see it has over 284,000 views. And in just 28 days, in 1 month, This video got a whooping 774,000 views as it were on YouTube. Come on, this is mind-blowing. So it is not really difficult for you to actually get massive views from your brand new YouTube channel if you implement the strategies that I will be showing you right now. As mentioned, all that we need to do is look out for trendy, viral topics. Write about them and they would blow up. So in order for us to actually achieve this and make well over $600 daily from these YouTube channels, we have two problems that we need to give thorough attention to. The very first problem is, how do we get these trendy viral topics that we would actually be making videos about? That's the first problem. The second problem is, how do we make these videos when we don't have to actually record these videos ourselves? Well, we would give attention to those two problems in this video and help you resolve them right now. And you will see that in less than 3 minutes, you will be able to get the mind-blowing trendy topic, and you would also be able to make a video out of that topic in less than 3 minutes. Now, before I jump into doing that, if you are actually on this channel for the very first time, I say a warm welcome to you. Welcome, because you have found that one channel that shows you all the legal ways on how you can make legal money on the internet. Do well to hit the subscribe button. Ensure you turn on post notifications so you can get updates when we actually upload them. What is more, ensure you like this video. Now let's go over and solve that first problem that we had. How can we actually get these trendy topics that we would actually be making videos about? Very, very easy. We would be using Google Trends. Google Trend is basically a website or a part of Google that shows you what is trending in a particular location. For example, as you see over here in Nigeria, you see exactly things that are trending currently in Nigeria. Now, because of the kind of content I want to make and because of the money that we want to make from a particular location, we would actually be switching this from Nigeria to United States. So we're going to see exactly what is trending in United States. So immediately you switch to United States, come over to trending now, you are going to see the top 3 things that are trending right now in United States. Now, after clicking on trending now, you are going to see a whole list of things that are trending right now with their search volumes. Number 1 here has 100,000 searches. Number 2 has 20,000 searches. 3, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000. Now, if you come down to recent trending topics too, you will see that iOS 18 has 200,000 searches. So this is basically an announcement that Apple made of the launch of iOS 18. Now, so many persons are inquisitive. They want to know what is in there in this iOS 18. What are the new features that comes with it? That is why you see it has so many searches. So at this point, I know that this information is trending. It is going viral. I am now going to make a video talking about this launch of iOS 18, talking about all the mind-blowing features that comes with iOS 18. Do you see how we have been able to solve that first problem of knowing how to see trending topics that we will be making videos about? Yes. If you appreciate how well I have taken you step by step, showing you how to get this information, come on, go to the comment section and let me know that you understood this. And also say thank you for showing this information. We have solved the first problem. Now, how can we now make videos on this topic that we are going to upload on these monetization platforms for us to make up to $600 daily? Very easy. Now, all of these information you see here are links to blog posts, articles that they have written about these contents. So if I click on this, it takes me straight up to this page that talks about this press release from Apple. It says iOS 18 makes iPhone more personal, capable, and intelligent than ever. So the release introduced all new customization options, the biggest ever redesign of photos, powerful updates for staying connected, and Apple's intelligence. So this content is a whole post talking about this new feature that have just been released for Apple. Now, this is exactly what we are going to be using to create our mind-blowing video. To assist us with doing this, we will be using the InVideo AI tool. I've given you a link in the description below. That's the first link you see. Click on that link, sign up on InVideo, and it's going to bring you up to this page. Now, this tool will help us create a video that highlights everything that has been explained on that page. How can that be done? Now come over to the version 1 of this video. You are going to see the option to explore all options. This is basically asking you what kind of videos do you want to make. We'll click on recent event videos. Now why are we clicking on recent event videos? Because it gives us the opportunity of putting in our web URL. So now it says search the news and also check this URL. So we'll go back to this page, copy this URL, come back to InVideo, and we'll paste it in here. It is going to analyze this web page and give us videos that would explain everything that is on that web page. Now the very next thing to do is to put in our title. So we'll go over and then we'll put in, copy this title they have here, and then we'll put it down there. Yes, put the title here, and then we can now use a setting. We can click on use a male clear American voice. Now let's also add subtitles, and then we use iStock images. So after doing this, we can now click on continue. So when we click on continue and then we click on generate video, this tool is going to automatically analyze that web page we have given to it and create engaging videos from it. Is this not mind-blowing? Remember, this topic is blowing hot. This topic is trending. So many persons want to see videos about it. At this point, it takes us to the section where we can now give it more information. Now, who is our audience? Let's give it out to Apple users. The look and feel of this, minimalistic modern, let's just make it that crisp. And then the platform, we click on YouTube. And then we click on what? Continue. It will now start analyzing and getting tools that it will use for this video. Alright guys, as you have seen, this tool have completely generated a video for us that I'll be using. Let's play this video and see exactly what it looks like.
In the realm of technology, change is the only constant. A testament to this is Apple's latest software update, iOS 18, a revolution in smartphone customization capability and intelligence. This update marks a significant leap forward in the iPhone's evolution, bringing a suite of enhancements designed to make your iPhone experience more personalized and powerful than ever before. At the heart of the iOS 18 update is a revolutionary redesign of the home screen. For the first time in the history of the iPhone, users can customize their home screen layout, creating blank spaces, rows, and columns between app icons. This level of customization, previously a mainstay of Android devices, marks a significant shift in Apple's design philosophy, placing more control in the hands of users. But the customization doesn't stop at the home screen. iOS 18 also introduces interactive iMessage with tapbacks and text effects, providing a more engaging and dynamic messaging experience.
So as seen, this mind-blowing tool have generated a video for us without going to look for resources, without going to look for things or files that we'll be using to make that video. It's a video that we can upload directly on our YouTube channel and other monetization platforms for us to make money from this trending topic. Now, if you observe, you will see that some of those slides that were showing in this video did not really portray what we wanted it to portray. Now, once you click on edit, you can click on any of the slides here and then change the videos that show. For example, this slide that talks about photograph enthusiasts will appreciate the redesigned photo app, which now comes with powerful update that makes it easier than ever to capture, edit, and share your favorite moment. So I can decide I want to change this video that is showing here, come over here and search for iPhone photo app. Yes, iPhone photo app. Click search for videos and then hit enter. So it is now going to bring up so many iPhone photo apps, as it were. You can see this is an iPhone photo app. I can now click on replace, and it's now going to replace that slide with this mind-blowing iPhone video, as it were. So guys, this tool is a tool that gives you a mind-blowing HD video that you can upload on these monetization platforms. Now you remember the technique. Because these topics are trending already, people are searching for videos to explain these things. You have high search volume. So after generating your video, the next thing is to do what? Click on export. Then you export the video file and then upload it on your YouTube channel. Now, if you need a detailed video on how to export videos from this tool and also how to upload the videos on your brand new YouTube channel, I am very glad to inform you that on this channel, we have a video that shows a step-by-step guide how you can create a faceless YouTube channel and how you can upload videos from this in-video AI tool. Quickly go and watch that video. You will see it at the end of this video. Ensure you watch it so you see step-by-step guide on how to get this done. Now, after doing this, it is sure that you would actually be able to get so much views from this YouTube channel. This is something I've already implemented in my brand new YouTube channel I'm creating, and I assure you it is getting so much views. Guys, do you appreciate these fine tips I've just shown you on how to professionally make these videos and make mind-blowing money from them? Come on, go to the comment section below and mention that you appreciate these tips, and I will blow your mind in the next video where I'll be showing you another mind-blowing tip that you can actually use to make money from the internet. Now, before you go, if you have not subscribed, ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Ensure that you like this video and ensure that you turn on post notifications. And lastly, share this video so many other persons can get this mind-blowing information. With these recaps, I'm sure you've gotten value from this video. Now I'll be seeing you in our very next video that we'll be uploading on this YouTube channel. See you in that next video.